Hi, I'm Jay from Classic Kitchens, etc., coming to you from a bathroom. And now we're about to talk about something very weird, and that's poop. Another cool thing that I want to talk about is these washlets. Now, this is a total washlet. Other of them are called toilet seat bidets. They have all different kinds of names. But the main thing is that it is a bidet built into the toilet seat. I think this is where the future is going. This one has a little cradle for a remote. I'm not sure why you would need to be away from it, but you know, it normally just fits, it just stays there. Has different wash functions and oscillating, pulsating, all this really cool stuff. And you can set user preferences. Look at that, you have user 1 and 2. You know, I thought it was weird at first, but once I started using it, now it's like, I can't live without it. Saves toilet paper, and it's like washing yourself when you go to the bathroom, which I think is kind of cool. It does have a little slant up little situation at the back end of the toilet, or of the toilet seat, I should say. I think it's a really cool feature, and I think that it's something that eventually we're all gonna have. So what I've been doing is, even if folks don't want a washlet, I put an outlet behind the toilet just in case they ever want to upgrade. They don't have to open up the wall, you know, try to get power down to it. Another cool thing about this is when you sit down on it, this is gonna get weird. When you sit down on it, it should spray the toilet down. See that? So right now it's spraying the toilet bowl so that when you do your business, it sticks less, you know? I think that's pretty awesome. Sorry for that. It's very weird, but we have to talk about it. See? Totally normal, right? All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.